Here's a street rod to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Chevrolet 1936 Master 5-window coupe. All steel. 283 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Let's take a look at this front chrome. Grille, bumper. See more of a late model high intensity headlight has been installed in it during the build. Chrome, bright work, looks good up front. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Chrome wheels, radial tires. I would call this, it's almost like a plum crazy purple, kind of purple metallic. A few touch-up spots here or there. I noticed top of a fender here, a couple of touch-up spots. This is one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun, go to your local roll-ins. If you're in our area, back to the 50s, huge street rod show. More of a late model GM bucket seat, cloth interior, dark charcoal. We'll get around to the driver's side, open it up, let you see it a little better. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll open the hood, take a little closer look at everything. This car is equipped with power brakes, HEI ignition, 4-barrel carb. I believe it was an Edelbrock intake manifold. We'll get underneath the hood, check her out a little closer. Before that, though, remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Dual exhaust, chrome in the rear. Pinstriping for highlights, gas bills on the exterior so you don't have to worry about that in the trunk, anywhere else in the car. Take your time, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Another thing, remember, we have an open door policy. If you can't make it yourself to look at this car, you want an inspector to take a peek at it, not a problem. See him quite often, have him check it out, report back to you. We try to represent them as fair as we can with all the pictures and driving video and walk around video. But not a problem if you want somebody else to feel it, see it, and touch it. Let's take a look at this interior. It's kind of a charcoal gray cloth, two-tone, I guess, between the door panels and the seats. Seats are out of something definitely way more recent GM model, and this power seat does work on this side. Did have that working. Tilt column, AM FM stereo is in the glove box. That is working. Was Omega Custom Instruments, that's who made the gauges. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear the run. There is a dome light switch right there and then a cooling fan. I'll leave those stickers on there so a future owner can remember which one is which. There's the Pioneer aftermarket stereo, and like I said, it is working fine. Electric wipers work, switch forms right here. You also have your vent that is functioning, as well as visors. This one's set up to go down the road. That definitely have some fun with. Let's check out those gauges. Voltmeter, fuel, oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp to be up. It's a good sounding car too. A little rumble coming out of that 283. Nothing crazy over the top. Just a nice deep exhaust note. And let's slip up to the front. I'll get one or two sides of this hood open so we can at least take a peek at that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Hood sits up nice on this one for opening it. So I did both sides. There it is. 283 Chevrolet V8. There's that Edelbrock intake manifold. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, HEI ignition back there, and some power brakes. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Aluminum radiator, overflow canister. Slip around to the other side. We'll look over here. And there is a small heater underneath the passenger side. I'll show you that here in just a second. It's a nice looking engine base. Sounds good, runs good, smooth. Small heater right underneath there. And if you look right behind the die, right there, that is the switch for the fan. Just so you know. Thought of that when I seen the heater hoses. And obviously you can turn this on or off, bypass it. 1936 Chevrolet Deluxe 5-window coupe. Nice looking street rod. And remember, comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1936 Chevrolet Coupe. We've got a hidden radio in the glove box here. Pioneer aftermarket unit works well. Our left turn signal indicator is working. This is an automatic on the floor. You get a good rumble from this car's exhaust. Got aftermarket gauges. Oil pressure showing about 55. Temperature about 130 and warming up. Fuel gauge is at half. Volts are 14 and a half, and we're going 55 miles an hour. Very easy to drive with this automatic on the floor. Comfortable car, smooth ride. Once we get straight and I let go of the wheel, it just stays nice and straight. Steering wheel looks like it may be cocked a little bit to the left, not much, and that doesn't affect performance. This car started right up and idled great. Brakes are working well. Corner's good, doesn't lean in the corners.